Welcome to Techie Master channel. Hi all. This video we are going to discuss about how to reduce the corona effect in the transmission line. Remember few weeks before we had seen about the corona effect. So and I explained what is corona effect there. So let's see how to reduce the same here. Before that, I just want to give some brief introduction, so which we discussed earlier. You see the green color circle is a conductor, and and around this we have surrounding air. Okay, so whenever the current flowing through this transmission line, this conductor, so there is a charge accumulated at the surface of the conductor, and which is having conduction with the outer surrounding air. So this way it forms the sparks around the conductor. So these sparks around the conductor looks like as a light ring around the conductor, that is known as a corona effect. So why we call it as a corona? You see sun, it has a light rays around its circumference. Okay. So these light rays, this outer ring part of the sun is known as corona. You see, recent days we are suffering from a virus known as coronavirus. That virus also looks like sun. Okay, that's why it's called coronavirus. So the same kind of ring which is around the sun is occurring across the conductor during over the transmission line. So that is a corona ring. So let's see how to reduce the effect. So we can reduce the corona discharge by increasing the conductor size. It means diameter of the conductors. When it is getting increased, the corona discharge will be lesser. How this corona discharge is getting lesser when increasing the diameter of the conductor? Yeah, right. So the diameter of the conductor, when we increase, so the corona discharge, we know always it is happening outer surface of the conductor. So for the same amount of current, if you increase the diameter for that particular amount of current or voltage, so the effect happening around the outer surface of the conductor is happening within the conductor itself. So it is not happening outside of the conductor because the conductor diameter is more. If the conductor diameter is less, okay, the corona effect is happening around the conductor. It means the current conduction through the air which is surrounded by the conductor. So that is a one concept, and by increasing the distance between conductors, you see, here we can keep enough distance between these two conductors so that we can reduce the corona effect. That is another way. And using bundle conductors to increase the effective diameter of the conductor. This also results into reduction of the corona discharge. So bundle conductor which has many conductors which is having the diameter, individual diameter. Okay. So ultimately we are increasing the effective diameter of the conductor. So the overall idea behind this concept is by increasing the diameter of the conductor, the corona discharge is happening within the conductor itself. So it is not happening around the conductor. It means there is no corona discharge at all. There is no spark around the conductor at all. Okay. So that is the concept behind this. So we use corona ring at the edge of the transmission line or high voltage equipment to push us. So these actually are circular in shape because as per the concept, the electric field is greater where the curvature is sharp. That's why we use a circular because circular shape is having always the curvature at all the sides. It's not like a square or triangle. A square triangle does not having any a circular shape or curvature shape because the corona discharge occurs first at the sharp points, edges, that's why okay, we use the circular ring. So this is known as corona ring. You see the sparks are happening here. So throughout the conductor, so the corona effect is reduced, and those corona effect is happening at the edge, at the corona ring here itself. Okay. So this way we can avoid the corona effect throughout the transmission lines. And we use this kind of ring in very high voltage equipment, okay, such as high voltage transformer and all. So this way we can reduce the corona effect. Okay. Thanks for watching the video. We will meet in next video. Until that, please like, subscribe, and press bell notification, comment, and share on your friend. Thank you. Thank you for watching the video.